Viewers, a warm welcome to all of you to this Elite Enlightened English channel. I hope all of you are stay and healthy. Those who have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and give your comments also. Today, the enrichment of vocabulary, day 10. We will see the words, the first pair of words, birth, B-E-R-T-H, B-I-R-T-H. B-E-R-T-H is a noun, B-I-R-T-H is also a noun, both are nouns, same pronunciation. B-E-R-T-H, that is a berth, it is a sleeping facility in the train. Upper berth, lower berth, middle berth. I reserved an upper berth. I got lower berth, but there is an old man who requested me to give his lower berth instead of his upper berth. He wanted to exchange. So here lower, upper, middle, no, berth, B-E-R-T-H. Berth means a sleeping facility, a bed, nothing but a bed in the train. Okay. Next one, birth, B-I-R-T-H. She gave birth to a female child. She gave birth to a male child. Birth, that is a new baby is born, no. Mother gave birth. Okay. So, that is birth. In Tamil we say it is pirappu. Birthday. From this we have more words, birthday. Birthday means one who was born on a particular day. Next pair of words, besides. Okay, beside, both are preposition, and besides acts also an adverb. So, be just to add s to the previous one. First one we let us see beside. Beside means by the side of. Exact meaning is by the side of. Don't say near. No, actually adjacent side, either left hand side or right hand side. So, I usually sit beside my intimate friend. That is near, on the left hand side or right hand side, by the side of, not near. Actually near is not exact meaning, by the side of is the exact meaning. That is beside the point. Then besides, just add s to the previous one, it is a preposition in addition to. Besides having a car, he has got a scooter. See, actually in addition to the car, he has a scooter. Bananas are good for health. Besides, they are cheap. Moreover, here in the sense of moreover, there were 4 people in the car besides the children. In addition to the children, there were 4 people. So, okay. So, these are the meanings. Next, third pair of words, biannual, biennial. Both are adjectives. Biannual means it is an occurrence twice in a year, 2 times in a year. That is biannual. Biennial, once in 2 years. An incident happens or occurs once in 2 years. For example, some car festival at Chidambaram Nadaraja temple. It is biannual. Actually, it occurs once in twice in a year. So, this is biannual. World Book Fair is conducted once in 2 years. This is biennial. The fourth one, book, magazine. Both are nouns. Book is a thing published only once. A novel, a collection of poems, collection of short stories. These are all books. But a magazine, weekly magazine is there, fortnightly magazine is there, monthly magazine is also there. Okay. So, for example, Reader's Digest is a magazine. The Week is a magazine. In Tamil, Kumudam is a magazine, Ananda Vigadan is a magazine. But I want to have a book of Balakumaran, that is book. Okay. So, Balakumaran's novels are called books. Sujata's novels are called books. But magazine, I already told you the examples. So, that is the difference between book and magazine. The last pair of words will come to this session. Break, break. First one, break, B-R-A-K-E. And then B-R-E-A-K, A-K, B-R-E-A-K. Both are nouns and verbs. First one, B-R-A-K-E. Brake is a stopping device in a vehicle. It forces the vehicle to stop. I applied the brake of my cycle. That means I want to stop my cycle. I don't want to pedal my cycle further. So I applied the brake, the cycle immediately stops. The same case is in the case of two-wheeler, bike, motorbike, scooter, car, everything. So every vehicle has a brake. On seeing the child in the middle of the road, the driver applied the brake. Even you can say this brake as a verb. He braked the scooter suddenly. Okay. Next one, B-R-E-A-K, break. That is, break the glass, break the rules. Something you break. Okay, that is உடைத்தல் in Tamil. And then you violate the law means also break. சட்டத்தை மீறுதல், விதியை மீறுதல், but not following. Okay. No one can break this law. Don't break your promise. That is, you must fulfill your, you have to keep up your promise. Then break is also another has a meaning. What is that? An interval. I have a 10 minutes break in the morning. Tea break, coffee break, lunch break. We don't say dinner break because dinner we come to house. So there is not. So law breakers, there is another word, law breakers. That is those who violate the law, those who does not follow the law. They are called a law breakers. Break is a regular verb, whereas break, that is B-R-A-K-E, it is an irregular verb, whereas B-R-E-A-K is an irregular verb. For example, the past tense and past participle of break, B-R-A-K-E, break, braked, braked. But B-R-E-A-K, past tense is broke, past participle is broken. Breakable, that can be broken. Unbreakable, that cannot be broken. Breakable means that can be broken. Unbreakable, that cannot be broken. So with this, let us wind up this today's session. I hope this will be understandable to all of you. I hope you enjoy this video. So please follow this channel. Every day you will have new words. So far 10 days we have completed. So 100 words, I hope we know. Isn't it? Okay. So please subscribe this channel. Share with your friends and relatives. This video is common to all. Not only to students, but everyone. They can watch and learn. So thank you for your continuing patronage. Tomorrow I will see you with some other new words. Till then, stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.